Hey, it's Maurice with A1 Roofing KangaRoof. Has a tree fallen on your roof? Well, stay calm. I'm going to walk you through the steps you need to take right now and what you should do. First, you want to make sure that everyone is out of the house and is safe. And then you want to stay out of the house just in case there may be some major damage to your roof, because your roof could be unstable. Then what you want to do next is document the damage with photos and videos for insurance purposes. And then the next step is to call your insurance company and file a claim. They will send out an adjuster to assess the damages in order to cover the costs of the repair that may need to be done. But don't stop there. The next thing to do is get a professional roofing company like ours to inspect the damage as soon as possible. Here at A1 Roofing KangaRoof, we specialize in emergency repairs. Our team will assess the situation and get you back in shape quickly and safely. So if you need help fast, we entice you to visit KangaRoof.com or give us a call at 410-799-1600. When disaster strikes, we got you covered. And thank you.